Today I'm going to show you how to make this fancy tool that my husband is using to carve this tumbler. This is a handmade version of a tool many of you are familiar with, called a loop tool. It's perfect for carving. You're going to need some common household items: duct tape, a pair of scissors, a pencil, push pin, bobby pin, and a paper clip. Open up the paper clip so it looks like an S and cut it down the middle with some scissors. Bend the paper clip until it snaps. Use the push pin to poke a hole through the eraser and then secure the paper clip to the eraser. Be careful. And once it's in there, you can take some duct tape and wrap it around the pencil and the paper clip. And that's it for one end. For the other end, we're going to take a bobby pin, open it up, and then take some duct tape and wrap it around the bobby pin and the pencil. And that's all. It's that easy. Now personally, I really prefer the bobby pin end. It was just very sharp and very precise. I did give it a shot on the wheel. I used it for trimming and I really liked the versatility that it gave me to be able to switch between the two ends. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.